Hey guys, Dad TFP here, and with my best bud.
Niagara TP.
And I've got something really cool to share with you today. It's a creation of
It's a Chicago Skyline model.
Chicago Skyline model. That's right, folks. Can you tell me what that little blue part is in there?
That's the Chicago River.
The Chicago River.
So that's the main stem of the Chicago River. That's the North Branch, and then this whole part is the South Branch.
Whoa, very cool. Some iconic skyscrapers there. Let's talk about some of them. What do you think?
So this is the middle. That is called the...
The Loop?
And then these are where the tracks are.
Oh, so those are where the tracks are? That's right. So we got some buildings there. Let's see. We'll point out a few of them. You got the iconic Trump Tower. Where's that? There you go. We got the... You picked the next one?
Sears Tower, Willis Tower.
The Sears Tower / Willis Tower. That's right.
It's there, and then can you do a few more buildings?
Ooh, London House?
London House, the London Guarantee Building that's at the end here. And then there's 35 East Riker, which is a cool looking building. And then Marina City.
Marina City, that one's iconic. That's right.
Then there's that one.
Yep. Is that the Art Institute?
Merchandise Mart.
A merchandise mart. Oh my! A merchandise mart was like one of the biggest buildings in the world, like offices in the world.
And then there's some other buildings here, and we're gonna show you this from another angle so that you can see the buildings better. So this is another view of it. So this is it looking from the south here. You can see the Sears Tower on the left there, and then a lot of the other buildings.
There you go. Yep, rotating so you can get the whole experience. It's almost like you're in a helicopter flying around the loop.
This is the Michigan Avenue. These set of buildings here. This is it. This is it from the north. You can see the other side. And then as we go along here, we can see this side here.
Yeah, very good. All right. Pretty awesome.
Anything more to say about it?
Yep, so that's a cool model of the skyline of Chicago, the Loop in particular.
And then this is the City Hall back here.
And that's City Hall.
And then there's some other cool buildings, the Rickery buildings in there. It's probably back here.
Rickery building's kind of famous because Frank Lloyd Wright did a update on the lobby, which is spectacular, right? All right, well, thanks guys. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe down below. Bye-bye.